The SEC may be looking into Elon Musk's tweets. Dogecoin prices have fallen. What exactly should we be doing and what should we expect? Stay tuned as we answer these questions for you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dan Daily. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. So, the SEC may be looking into Elon Musk's tweets about Doge. The crazy part is, the SEC doesn't actually even consider Doge a security, making this somewhat unlikely. But if it does, it gives credibility to Doge in the cryptocurrency space. It has been known that the SEC is monitoring Elon Musk's social media as part of a settlement of charges that he committed securities fraud for misleading tweets. In response to this, Musk actually mentioned that he actually hopes that the SEC rumors are true and they do actually investigate. He's actually looking forward to a fight in support of Doge. So how does this impact Doge itself? The news of an SEC inquiry would drop Dogecoin value. However, with Musk wanting to fight SEC for Doge, that drop may just bounce back. So what about now? If you are planning on investing or you currently haven't invested? Well, currently, Doge is under 5 cents. And seeing its previous highs, this could be a good time to invest in it, either for the short term or more accurately for the long term, as crypto values are bound to increase over time as more and more investors and real-world uses start adapting to crypto. Well, that's my 2 Doge. Hope you guys found this video useful, and if you did, please hit the like button. It would mean the world to me, and please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Dan Daily.